Welcome to section 16.1, Homeostasis and Osmoregulation. In this section, we'll explore how organisms maintain stability inside their bodies even when the outside world changes. This balancing act, called homeostasis, is key to survival and involves many systems, from temperature control to water balance. By the end of this section, you should be able to explain the concepts of homeostasis, describe how animals regulate body temperature, and explain how the kidneys act as the main osmoregulatory organs in humans. Homeostasis is the ability to maintain a steady internal state despite changes in the environment. Factors like temperature, pH, water balance, and waste levels are carefully regulated through feedback systems. It's a dynamic equilibrium. Things are always changing, but within a safe range. Negative feedback counters changes to bring the system back to balance, like sweating to cool down when you're hot. Positive feedback amplifies changes, like the contractions during childbirth that intensify until delivery. Most homeostatic control relies on negative feedback. Thermoregulation keeps body temperature within a safe range. Ectotherms, like reptiles, amphibians, and fish, rely on the environment for heat and regulate through behavior, basking in the sun or seeking shade. Endotherms, like birds and mammals, use metabolic heat and physiological methods such as sweating or shivering to maintain temperature. Osmoregulation is the control of water and salt balance, and in humans, the kidneys are the main organs for this. They filter blood, remove excess water and waste, and reabsorb what the body needs. The functional units of the kidney, nephrons, carry out these tasks. Blood enters the nephron and passes through the glomerulus, where small substances are filtered into the tubule. As the filtrate moves along, reabsorption returns water and important solutes to the blood, while secretion adds waste. The remaining fluid becomes urine, which flows to the ureter and the bladder. When kidneys fail, dialysis can take over their job. Dialysis technicians operate machines that filter a patient's blood, monitor vital signs, ensure equipment is clean, and work closely with nurses and doctors. Training includes certification and clinical experience, and understanding kidney function and homeostasis is essential. Homeostasis keeps the body's internal environment stable through feedback systems. Animals regulate body temperature in different ways, and in humans, the kidneys are key to water and salt balance. Understanding these processes helps explain how organisms survive in changing conditions.